Here are 5 popular work-from-home sites. 1. Upwork. Upwork is a freelancing platform that connects businesses with independent professionals from various fields, including writing, graphic design, programming, customer service, and more. It's one of the largest and most well-known platforms for remote work. How to get started? Go to Upwork.com and create an account. Complete your profile, add a professional photo, write a detailed description of your skills, and include your work experience, portfolio, and any relevant certifications. Browse job listings that match your skills and send proposals to clients. Build your reputation, start with small projects to gain positive reviews, and gradually apply for higher-paying jobs as your reputation grows. 2. FlexJobs. FlexJobs is a job board that specializes in remote, part-time, freelance, and flexible job opportunities across a wide range of industries. The platform hand-screens each job listing to ensure legitimacy, making it a trusted site for remote job seekers. How to get started? Visit flexjobs.com and create an account. Note that FlexJobs charges a subscription fee for access to its listings. Complete your profile, add your resume, work history, and set job preferences. Use filters to find remote jobs that suit your skills and apply directly through the site. Set up email alerts for new job postings that match your interests. 3. Remote.co. Remote.co is a platform that offers a wide variety of remote job listings, from customer service to tech roles. It focuses exclusively on remote work and provides resources for remote job seekers, such as interview tips and company reviews. How to get started? Visit remote.co and browse available job categories. Click on job postings to read descriptions and application instructions. Many jobs link directly to the employer's application page. Use the site's resources to learn about companies that hire remote workers, which can help tailor your applications. 4. Indeed. Indeed is one of the largest job search engines and includes a wide range of remote job listings. It aggregates job postings from across the web, making it a comprehensive resource for finding work-from-home opportunities. How to get started? Go to Indeed.com and set up a free account. Upload your resume, fill out your work experience, and set job alerts for remote work. Use keywords like remote, work from home, or specific job titles, and filter results by location. Apply directly through Indeed or via the employer's website as directed in the job listing. 5. We Work Remotely. We Work Remotely is a job board that focuses exclusively on remote job listings. It caters to a wide range of industries, including tech, marketing, design, and customer support. How to get started? Go to weworkremotely.com. Use the categories to find jobs that fit your skills and interests. Click on listings to read full job descriptions and application instructions. Thank you for watching.